Yeah, good day again. So today's video I'll be going over camera placement and the factors you should consider when doing so. Right, so for starters we want to cover the yard area, but you have this type of roof in here. So to get proper coverage in the yard and at the house, first you want to place a camera over here at the end, anywhere in this section here is good. That way you'll get coverage across the yard all the way going this side. Now you see there's an obstruction here in the middle, right? So what we'll do with that is place another camera anywhere here looking back this way, right? That way when the camera will be able to cover the front door and the points of entry on this side, while also the other camera will be able to see the roadway and the street and by the fence area. So this is the view from the other angle where the other camera will be. It will be getting the window space going as far as the other gate to the other side, and it'll also get more coverage in the yard and whatnot. So that is two good place to put your cameras to cover our front yard properly and cover your points of entry. What some people are tempted to do in a situation like this is place a camera in the middle here, because sometimes they think it'll give them the most amount of coverage in the yard. What it actually does is create two blind spots on either side of the camera, which is closest to your points of entry. So if somebody manages to evade the camera's view at this corner, they'll be able to work comfortably in the front area without being recorded or probably disturbed.